Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today I'm back in Thao Poon and what we're going to do today, we're going to eat one of the cheapest and best burgers in Bangkok. So right up there is a Thao Poon station, the MRT, and right next to it is the market, and that's where the burger used to be. Apparently he's moved to a shop just up here. I'm going to take you there. Yeah, so I was there at the market a couple of weeks ago and he wasn't there, and I was like, where's he gone, and I checked on Google Maps today. I'll leave a link down in the description there, and he's just up here, so let's go and check it out. So apparently he's supposed to be right next to the motorbike garage, which I think I do know where that is, just over there. Okay, so we have the motorbikes there. I think it's there where that flashing sign is. Can you see? No, it's not in there. I don't think. There is a guy up there with a barbecue. Let's go and check that out. There it is. 25 Baht Burgers. This is where he does the cooking. Let's go and find a menu. Can I order pork burger?
Pork burger, okay.
Add layer 3
Yes. Okay.
and cheese 2.
เป็นหมูเพิ่มชั้นเพิ่มชีส2 ชิ้น
That's it, okay.
Okay.
Okay, I think I've ordered 4 pates on there. I'm not sure. We'll see when we get it. But the price came to 110 baht. And I've ordered 2 cheeses as well. So, I hope this is better in the burger than I had the other day. So the smoke was coming from this guy. And that looks alright as well, doesn't it? 4 steaks on there. Anyway, let's get back to the burgers. So it is quite literally a 5-minute walk from Thao Poon station, right next to the Honda garage. Yeah, you can't miss it. Let's go check it out inside again. We even have a hot dog. Look at that, look. A bit of salad on there and onions. Oh. What's in that sauce? We put in. Yeah, look. I've got quite a lot in mine, haven't I? This is the bacon. That bacon looks nice. Yeah, that's proper bacon as well. I wonder, see if we're going to cook some more burgers. I don't know, ham. How much is a slice of ham? 10 baht. I think this one could be mine. 3 or 4. It's going to be like a smash burger, isn't it? So what, 25 baht is good, right? Quite a lot on there. It's got 15 on there. There it is, it's smashing them down. Thought you'd had some pepper or something. Maybe do that in a minute. Over there, cooking his fried eggs. I'd have a fried egg, but it's a bit messy. Oh, looks good, yeah. think I am getting 4 pates instead of 3. I've just done the maths. Not very good at maths, but hey. If you look straight across the road there, where the red sign is, the red and white sign, they do a fantastic pad grapao. They've got seats in there and you can sit down and drink beers as well. Very, very nice. Anyway, I think that might be mine. Don't think that is mine. Must have got 2 burgers. We must have got lost in translation for a minute then, because I've got 2 burgers. How am I going to eat 2? Anyway, 2 burgers for 110. Fantastic price. Anyway, let's go and find somewhere where we can sit down. Okay, so 2 minutes down the road, there's a place called CJ's. They'll sell drinks and everything. We've got loads of tables outside. Okay, so let's have a look at this. Quite a weight. Quite heavy. And in there, can't speak, a little bit of, you don't call that lettuce, is it? Is that a lettuce leaf? Some fried onions, 2 pates and some cheese. That's like a mustard mayonnaise. That is really good. Take note, Burger King. This burger is 55 baht. They've just annihilated your burger. The onions, it's like a fried onion you'd get on a hot dog. I was only going to eat 1. I think I'm going to take them, I'm going to eat them both. That sauce is really nice. You can taste a hint of mustard in it. Not too strong. Like I was saying, the link's in the description down below. The bread, that's really nice. Look it up. It's good. That is good. The onions falling out. Yeah, this is really good. I want to give a big shout out to the channel members again. I should have a special video coming up for you guys soon. The only problem with this burger is it's a little bit messy. Got sauce all over my tripod. I'll definitely be getting this again. This is better than McDonald's as well, I think. Okay, so there we have it, guys. I don't know what to say about that. That just proper smoked Burger King, clean out of the water there. If you're watching this Burger King, you need to improve, especially when people are doing burgers for 25 and you're charging nearly 200. Anyway, guys, if you like this video, give it a like. If you don't, give it a dislike, and I'll catch you in the next one. Adios.